Yan! Nubabaw kabalen! Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, aside from promoting the products that they send us today, I want this video to be an inspiration sa lahat po ng gustong magsimula ng kanilang mga business. So, business that we're trying to promote right now is called KALBrew. Napaka-iconic po ng kanilang brand. If you will notice, yung yung icon natin, is a man who is a kalbo. The person behind this is actually a previous AVP ng isang company airline, and just recently he resigned, and then ito yung pinagkakaabalahan niya ngayon. It all started dun sa kanyang gym. So he noticed sa kanilang mga enrollees na every time they come to the gym, may dala-dala silang mga coffee. Reason ng mga enrollees nila is for them to boost, to jumpstart. Dahil hindi naman lahat kasi gusto yung mga energy drink for a booster sa gym. So, some like chocolate, yung mga iba merong coffee base. So, naisip niya na why not sell? If you notice, yung packaging natin is yung bottle natin 225 ml lang siya. So, just enough to, really boost. Saktong-sakto lang siya na hindi ka sobrang you feel very full yung tummy mo. Meron tayong non-coffee base, meron din tayong coffee base, which we are going to talk about now. So sa mga non-coffee natin, we have Nutty Chocolate. We have this one is cookies and cream. Meron din tayong rich chocolate. Now, sa coffee base naman, we have salted caramel. Ooh, I love salted caramel. Cafe Mocha. Creamy latte. I'm gonna go first with this one, salted caramel, since ito yung favorite ko sa mga coffee. Now, when you order pala, it is recommended na you order it in advance. Kumbaga, day in advance or two, as soon as you order. So, dun po talaga mag-brew yung owner natin. Okay, let's taste it. This is salted caramel. Oh, wow. Aside from really rich caramel taste, I feel like it's creamy. And just to mention, yung mga ginagamit na lang coffee dito is premium Arabica coffee. Oh, this was good. So now, I wanna taste yung kanilang rich chocolate. This is also one of the best seller. Wow, not too sweet, not too bitter. It doesn't have that parang starchy chocolate or powdery chocolate na texture. This one's good. This one's good. This is real good. Sarap. Next, for the coffee base, I wanna try yung kanilang creamy latte. Okay, let's shake this one, creamy latte. So my take, again, it's very premium yung coffee taste niya, although this one's a little softer in terms of yung strength ng taste. I think this one's stronger yung caramel natin. So this one's a little bit softer. Probably my last to taste for this video is this cookies and cream. Okay, let's taste it. Oh wow, very milky para sa akin. A lot of testimonials from the customer ni KALBrew. Talagang sobrang nag-enjoy sila dito. And what they do, they order 5. Actually, 5 is just around 250 pesos for the 5 bottles. And ginagawa nila guys, since nabibilin sila sa isang bottle na ito, they pour yung 5 bottles into one container and then yung kinoconsume nila. If you're interested to have this one or taste it, make sure to check out the fan page we're gonna be providing below. Let's support local. This is a new business that is, trying to reach out sa ating community. And if you're interested to know more about this place, again, check out the fan page we're gonna be providing below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace. Salted caramel. I really like it.